When it comes to saving money on household expenses, few upgrades offer as much impact as energy-efficient windows. For homeowners in Rayne, Louisiana, where warm, humid summers and cool winters challenge comfort and utility budgets alike, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can lead to substantial savings on energy bills while improving comfort and home value. Why energy efficiency matters in Rayne. Rayne's subtropical climate means air conditioners work overtime in the summer, while heaters kick in during cooler months. Traditional, single-pane or poorly insulated windows allow conditioned air to escape easily, forcing HVAC systems to work harder and consume more electricity. Energy-efficient windows act as a barrier against heat transfer, maintaining indoor temperatures with less mechanical effort. By reducing air leakage and heat exchange, homeowners can cut annual energy consumption by up to 25%, depending on the age and type of the previous windows. Over time, these savings can easily offset the cost of new window installations. The technology behind energy-efficient windows. Modern energy-efficient windows combine several advanced features to maximize performance. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity. Low-E coatings reflect infrared light, keeping heat inside during winter and outside during summer. This minimizes the strain on your HVAC system and enhances comfort year-round. Double or triple pane glass. Multi-pane windows are filled with insulating gases like argon or krypton between layers of glass. These inert gases significantly reduce heat transfer compared to air-filled gaps. Warm edge spacers. These materials separate panes while reducing heat conduction around the window's edges, further improving insulation. Tight seals and durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames offer superior insulation and durability compared to older aluminum or wood frames. Together, these technologies turn ordinary windows into high-performance systems that regulate temperature, block harmful UV rays, and protect interiors from fading. Lowering energy bills and carbon footprints. For Rayne residents, utility costs often spike during long summers. Installing energy-efficient windows can reduce monthly electricity bills by lessening dependence on air conditioning. These savings accumulate year after year, offering both financial and environmental benefits. Moreover, reducing energy demand means lowering greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. Homeowners who invest in energy-efficient upgrades not only enjoy comfort and savings but also contribute to a more sustainable community. Additional perks beyond energy savings. Energy-efficient windows offer several advantages beyond reducing energy costs. Enhanced comfort. Eliminate cold drafts in winter and hotspots in summer. Noise reduction. Multi-pane designs with gas fills and better seals significantly reduce outside noise, perfect for Rayne's residential neighborhoods. UV protection. Low-E coatings block up to 90% of UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and curtains from sun damage. Increased home value. Buyers recognize the long-term benefits of efficiency and sustainability, making upgraded windows a strong selling point. Maintenance ease. Modern materials like vinyl resist warping and rotting, reducing upkeep needs. Choosing the right windows for Rayne homes. When selecting energy-efficient windows, look for the Energy Star certification, a federal standard that ensures top-tier performance. In Louisiana's climate zone, homeowners should focus on windows with low U factor for insulation efficiency, low solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, to block heat from sunlight, proper installation. Even the best windows fail to perform without professional installation. Gaps, poor sealing, or incorrect fitting can undo all the benefits. Consulting a local window replacement expert familiar with Rayne's weather conditions ensures you get the best materials and fit for your home. A smart investment for long-term savings. Energy-efficient windows represent one of the most cost-effective home improvements available today. They combine comfort, savings, and sustainability into a single upgrade that pays dividends for years. For Rayne homeowners looking to cut energy bills, improve indoor comfort, and add lasting value to their property, energy-efficient windows are a smart, forward-thinking investment.